Today we are reviewing Google Pixel 7a. The Google Pixel 7a is a mid-range smartphone that offers a good balance of performance, features, and price. It is powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor, which is the same chip that powers the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The Pixel 7a also has a 6.1-inch OLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. The rear camera system consists of 64 MB main camera and a 12 MB ultra-wide camera. The front-facing camera is 12 megapixel. The Pixel 7a is powered by a 4385 mAh battery and runs on Android 13 out of the box. Overall, the Google Pixel 7a is a mid-range smartphone that offers a lot of value for the price. It is powered by a powerful processor, has a good camera system, and runs clean and fast software. The Pixel 7a is also guaranteed to receive updates for 3 years, which is longer than most other smartphones. If you are looking for a mid-range smartphone with a great camera and long battery life, the Google Pixel 7a is a good option to consider. This was a review for Google Pixel 7a.